This is 10.6. Multiplying binomials. Hopefully you can do this in your head. Y squared minus 6 plus 6 turns into 0, minus 36. Okay. Square root addition or subtraction. So if I had 3x plus 2y minus 2x, these are like terms. When you're doing square roots, if we had 3 root 2 plus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 2, these are like terms. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 1 root 2. And then the 2 root 5 does not have a partner, so we can't put that together with anything. If we look at this problem, it appears as though we don't have like terms. But we can simplify these. Are there any perfect squares inside of 48? 4, but also 16. So this is 16 times 3. So that becomes a 4. And that multiplies the negative 5. So negative 20 root 3. If you did it the other way, you would get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. We circled 2 sets of 2's. That 4 hits the negative 5 to make negative 20. Okay, and then this one is 5 times 5 times 3. So plus 5 root 3. And now they're like terms. So I have negative 20 copies of root 3 plus 5 copies of root 3, and I get negative 15 copies of root 3. Make sense? Do you need to see another one of those? All right. If a person's eye level is h meters above sea level and she can see d kilometers to the horizon, then d equals 3.57 times the square root of h. Suppose the person's eye level is 15.21 meters above sea level. How far can she see? So we're just going to plug that in there. In our calculators, we type in 3.57 times the square root of 15.21. So in my calculator, 3.57 times the square root of 15.21 gives me 13.9. All right, how do we multiply square roots? We did this last time. So if I had 2 root 3 times 5 root 15, we do outside times outside and inside times inside. So the outside becomes 10, and the inside becomes 45. And then I simplify this by looking for perfect squares. That's 9 times 5. The 9 square roots and comes out as a 3. So 30 root 5 is the answer. Okay. All right. This one is 9 times 5, and this one is 4 times 5. So that would be 7 root 5. This becomes a 3, which makes negative 12 root 5. This becomes a 2, so plus 2 root 5. So 7 minus 12 is negative 5, plus 2 is negative 3 root 5. All right. So outside times outside, inside times inside So that would be 9 root 21. And then outside times outside is negative 1. Inside times inside is root 45. So 21 is just 3 times 7, and 45 is 5 times 9. So this one simplifies. 9 root 21 minus 5, not 5, sorry, 3 root 5. Oh, I didn't do that other problem. That was silly of me. I gave it an example, but I didn't do this. Okay, so coming back to this problem. Outside times outside is 4. Inside times inside is root 7. Outside times outside is 1. And inside times inside is 42. None of those have any perfect squares. So if I get rid of, that's the answer. All right. So I need to multiply these together. The outsides would be 56, and the insides would be 14. Then I need to multiply these together. The outsides would be negative 7, and the inside would be root 49. This one, minus 72 root 4, and this one, negative 9 root 14. Well, this just becomes a 7, which makes this negative 49. This becomes a 2, which makes that negative 144. So negative 49 minus 144 is going to be 180, 90, 193. So negative 193. And then these are like terms. 56 minus 9 is 47. So plus 47 root 14. And this is just a 2 and a 7, so it doesn't simplify. All right. That's it. 10.6. Get to work.